Imagine you're doing everything you think is right to lose weight, gain strength, or simply stay in shape. Yet something still feels off, like things aren't working the way they should. The problem might lie in something you're not doing yet. Strength training. Yes, it's the secret that few people reveal when talking about fitness. What's most impressive is that it not only transforms your body physically, but also impacts your metabolism, daily performance, and even mental health. While many focus on cardio or restrictive diets, strength training goes beyond the calories burned during exercise. It builds a solid foundation, not just of big muscles, but of a resilient body ready to face the challenges of daily life and sports activities. And the best part? The results show up faster than you think, from increased strength to an improved mood. So, the question is, are you ready to discover why strength training is essential for your success? Muscle and bone strengthening. Strength training isn't just about having big muscles, it's about preparing your body for the future. When you lift weights, your muscles aren't the only ones benefiting. Your bones, often overlooked, also gain strength. As we age, bone density loss can become a serious issue. That's where strength training steps in, helping to prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Picture yourself at 60, climbing stairs without pain or easily carrying groceries. This is what you're building now in the gym during every workout. The secret is in how strength training works as an investment in your health. Every time you feel that muscle pump, the stimulus goes beyond appearance. You're literally sculpting a stronger structure, meaning fewer chances of injury during daily activities. Need an example? Think about situations where twisting an ankle or falling could be a huge problem. With the right training, you strengthen your muscles and bones, making these situations much less likely. Building your body now ensures more mobility, strength, and resilience later on. And what's fascinating? The effects of strength training go beyond the gym. By focusing on strength exercises like squats, deadlifts, or bench presses, you're working towards a healthier life with fewer limitations. This gives you an advantage not only in the fitness world, but also in everyday physical activities. So when you think about working out, remember, you're not only sculpting your muscles, you're reinforcing your body's foundation. And over time, you'll feel the difference both in the mirror and in your daily activities. Posture improvement and pain prevention. One of the first things you notice when you start training seriously is your posture. You know those backaches that come from sitting or standing for too long? Often they're the result of weak, imbalanced muscles. By strengthening stabilizer muscles like the core and back, you're giving your body the structure it needs to maintain proper alignment. Think of it like building a solid foundation for a house. If the foundation isn't strong, everything gets misaligned. The same happens with your body, especially when you're in the gym. Now let's talk about practical results. When you perform exercises like planks, rows, and deadlifts, you're strengthening the muscles that support your spine. The difference shows not just during your workouts, but in simple daily tasks too. You know when you're at work or driving and suddenly feel that sharp pain in your back? With proper training, these situations become less and less frequent. That's because your muscles will constantly be working to improve your posture, protecting you from long-term pain and injury. If you've ever felt pain from spending hours in the office or in front of a computer, the solution might be in a targeted workout. Strengthening the core. The muscles in your trunk, including abs and lower back, naturally improves posture. And it's not just about how you feel, but how others perceive you. Good posture radiates confidence and power, and this feeling is reflected not only in the mirror, but in every aspect of your life. As your muscles grow and define, your posture adjusts, opening the door to the next benefit: increased metabolism and weight control. Boosting metabolism and weight control. Many people don't realize it, but training muscles goes far beyond aesthetics. Strength training, besides building big and strong muscles, also speeds up your metabolism. This happens because muscle, unlike fat, requires more energy to maintain. In other words, the more muscle mass you have, the more calories your body burns, even at rest. It's like turning your body into a fat-burning machine. So, if you're looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight, focusing on muscle growth is a sure path. An important thing to understand is that not all workouts have the same impact. Compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses engage multiple muscle groups, which results in a higher calorie burn. This is real fitness, where you not only work your muscles, but also accelerate the metabolic engine that your body becomes. This means that you'll not only lose weight, but also keep it under control more efficiently, while continuing to build strength and endurance in the gym. And the most interesting part? The effect isn't temporary. By continuing with strength training, you ensure that your metabolism stays active, helping you avoid the infamous yo-yo effect that many face. This is especially useful when combined with a solid nutrition plan, where the focus goes beyond calories and shifts to maintaining muscle mass. The result? You feel lighter, more energized, and the scale starts cooperating. And all this is just part of what strength training can do, as the mental benefits are equally impressive. Mental health and well-being. One thing few people associate with strength training is its positive impact on mental health. When you train regularly, your body releases endorphins, the hormones responsible for a sense of well-being. After an intense workout, it's not just your body that feels good. Your mind does too. You finish a workout with that feeling of satisfaction, knowing you've overcome yet another challenge in the gym. Beyond endorphins, strength training also helps combat daily stress. You know those days when everything seems to go wrong? Channeling your energy into a tough workout, whether focused on muscle growth or weight loss, can completely shift your mood. Every set you complete is a way to release pent-up tension. In the end, you leave the gym feeling lighter, both physically and mentally. And this isn't an exaggeration. Studies show that regular exercise helps reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone. The well-being provided by strength training doesn't just stop after your workout. When you incorporate this practice into your routine, you're building a solid foundation of mental balance. Over time, the small victories, like lifting a weight that once seemed impossible or seeing your body transform, boost your self-esteem. This reflects on your life as a whole. And while you're reaping the mental rewards, your body benefits too, leaving you ready to improve your performance, not just in the gym, but in daily activities. Improving physical performance and functionality. Strength training isn't just about lifting weights. It directly impacts how you perform daily tasks. Want a simple example? Think about carrying groceries or climbing stairs without feeling exhausted. Strength training improves your functional capacity, giving you the endurance and strength needed to perform these activities more efficiently. By strengthening your muscles, you're preparing to handle the physical demands of everyday life more easily. What's most interesting is that the benefits extend beyond everyday tasks. If you play other sports or physical activities, you'll notice a difference in your performance. Strength training helps develop strength and endurance, which means you can run faster, jump higher, or lift more weight in other disciplines. For example, if you play sports like soccer, basketball, or even run, your strength training will complement these activities, making you more agile and efficient. It all starts with a good workout in the gym, which reflects on any sport you practice. Moreover, a stronger body is also a more resilient one. Over time, you not only develop big muscles, but also build a solid foundation that protects against injuries. This is crucial for anyone looking for longevity in physical activities, whether in fitness, sports, or simply to maintain quality of life. The physical performance you gain in the gym accompanies you in all areas, from sports to simple daily tasks. And as time goes on, you'll notice that the benefits don't stop there. Now that you know the benefits of strength training, the question is, are you ready to transform your life? Knowledge without action leads nowhere. So, how about starting to apply what you've learned today? Take some time to strengthen your muscles, not just to gain more strength, but to improve your posture, speed up your metabolism, and of course, take care of your mental health. Have you ever thought about what your routine would be like with more energy, less pain, and a body prepared for anything? The next step is yours. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and stay updated with more tips to optimize your workout, lose weight, and build muscle. The change starts now, and you won't want to miss out.